everybody, this is Grace, and today we're here to talk about the standardization of nutrients in health fruit drinks. Is it important or not important? Well, let's think of it like this. Would you buy a bottle of multivitamins where the label read calcium, magnesium, vitamin C, vitamin E, etc., but listed no amounts for each ingredient? Well, this is exactly what you're doing when you're buying a non-standardized health fruit drink. One of the reasons for these functional health juices have become so popular is because they're so much easier to take than a handful of vitamin pills, and because they're a whole food that can provide certain health and nutrition benefits often not available in a typical multivitamin pill. However, there is also the potential to get an inferior juice due to a number of various factors like the following. First, it's ridiculous to assume that all fruits and berries are created equally. Also, some fruits and berries can be largely one-dimensional. In other words, they may be an antioxidant, but not much else. Obviously, the most valuable of these fruits and berries are multidimensional, or sometimes called a supertonic. In other words, they increase antioxidant activity, boost the immune system, balance bodily functions, and provide a number of other important functions. Of all the leading health fruit substances, the only one listed as a supertonic is the goji berry. A standardized product is one where the ingredients, amounts, and the development process is all done in a certain specific way that will maximize potency and ensure reproducible quality. Creating this formula and process can be very difficult and often takes many years, but it creates a reliable product and gives the company a way to guarantee quality. In health drinks, standardization means to the customer that every bottle is the exact same as every other bottle. Standardization is usually necessary to ensure the quality of food products. This is because the ingredients that go into foods, such as the fruits and health drinks, vary greatly in quality. Depending upon growing conditions, soil nutrition, and genetic variation, one crop of fruit may be completely different in terms of quality and potency than another. You may not know that Free Life spent 8 years standardizing their process for producing a standardized goji lycium barbarum profile. Why was this necessary? Because of the complex nature and variance of Lycium barbarum polysaccharide content due to many factors, strain of berry, soil, weather conditions, and more, this was necessary in order to ensure consistency of product from batch to batch. The great byproduct of all this work was to create a goji product that would be extremely difficult to duplicate and by far the most potent, by a large margin, goji product on the market. Now what about these other fruit products like noni, mangosteen, acai berry, etc.? The author here doesn't pretend to be an expert in the nutritional profiles of these berries. However, one thing this author knows is that the people making these other health drinks haven't standardized the nutritional profile for the key fruits in their health products. In the case of these other fruits, like noni, mangosteen, acai berry, it is important that the company standardizes the fruits for. Is it important for the company to standardize the fruits for specific key nutrients? Well, quite frankly, the company producing those products can best answer that question. All I can report in the case of these particular health drinks, the companies producing these drinks have not standardized the fruits used for a specific nutritional profile, basically potency. Thus, if this is important and you're not doing it, simple logic says you'll get inconsistencies in product from batch to batch. Obviously, this is not a good thing. On the other hand, if standardization of the nutrients, potency, and purity in the fruit you're using in your drink isn't required, then this makes it very possible and likely that other companies could easily produce relatively the same product and put it on shelves at Walmart at considerably less cost, leaving the customer to wonder if they're getting good value for their money. In addition, not standardizing a product makes it nearly impossible to do clinical studies with your product on human beings. Well, you could, but with varying amounts of nutrients, the results of your studies would be predictably inconsistent. And perhaps that's why, predictably, there are no studies on human beings with any of the other juice products on the market. In fact, it may be no surprise that the only nutritional juice product, goji-juice, on the market that is standardized is also the only one that has any peer-reviewed clinical studies, a total of 3 conducted on human beings documenting 19 health benefits and counting in 30 days or less. I guess it would be embarrassing to conduct a study that produces inconsistent results concerning your product. Here's a summary of a comparison between goji juice and the other popular health drinks on the market today. The first area is taste. I challenge anyone to find another one of these juices that most people prefer the taste of over goji. That juice doesn't exist. Nobody can challenge us on good taste. Our history of use as a health nutritional product. Our goji berry is the longest in continual use, going back about 4,000 years. The development science behind the product. Our goji juice product was 8 years in development, bringing it into the market. These other products were brought to market in typically less than a year. The standardization of ingredients. Free Life's goji juice is the only product I'm aware of that standardizes the formula for the highest amount of the active ingredient. In our case, it's the goji lycium barbarum polysaccharides, assuring consistent results with goji juice. These other juices don't use a nutrition standardized formula. Thus, you could see different results with each batch of these other fruit products. Results proven in tests. The goji juice product is the only health juice product proven to provide health benefits in peer-reviewed, placebo-controlled, double-blind, randomized human studies. Currently, we have 3 such studies documenting 19 different health benefits with 99% confidence in 30 days or less. Goji juice uses fresh berries. The top acai berry products use freeze-dried acai. Goji juice is certified kosher and halal. Many of the others are not. Super tonics. The goji juice product is made from the goji. Goji is considered a super tonic, meaning that it benefits virtually all body functions. These other fruits, the last I checked, were not considered super tonics. Our money-back guarantee. The Free Life goji juice product is the only nutritional product that offers a 90-day money-back guarantee. Virtually all other nutritional products on the market come with only a 30-day money-back guarantee. So while others may talk, Free Life lets the actions of their tests do the talking for them. And isn't this what you're looking for? A product that tastes great, that you can have the confidence works. Their tests have a 99% confidence factor, and in reality is the best value for your money.